Rema, my bro, welcome to my show.
Thank you
How
so
are
much
you?
for having me. I'm good. I'm good.
Good?
I'm happy. Yeah.
बुला तो लिया इंग्लिश बंदा, बात क्या करूं मैं? How's your trip going on, bro?
Amazing. It's hot, just like Nigeria.
You know, you have huge fan following in India.
Yes.
Yeah, so many people are making reels on your song. हाँ, आगे. So, मैं अपने दर्शकों को बता दूं, ये अकेले ऐसे नाइजीरियन स्टार हैं जिनका सॉन्ग जो है यूएस की बिलबोर्ड टॉप 10 में शामिल था. जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, काम डाउन ऑफिशियल मेना चार्ट में नंबर 1 पे रहा है, उसके लिए भी ताली होनी चाहिए. और इसके अब तक 400 मिलियन व्यूज हो चुके हैं, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा व्यूज इंडिया से आए हैं. देखिए. रेमा ब्रो, you are just 23 and you have achieved so much.
My God.
Yes.
You know, and now I want to congratulate you on your new achievement to be at my show. Congratulations.
It's a great honor. I'm grateful.
Thank you, bro.
I'm grateful.
मैं अपने ऑडियंस को बता दूं, इन्होंने इंस्टाग्राम पे ना एक फ्री स्टाइल वीडियो डाला था, जिसको देखने के बाद इनको रिकॉर्डिंग डील मिली.
Yeah.
So
the
nowadays,
freestyle.
if you want something, you go and buy it, or you put it on Instagram. I need this, and people say, "Be calm down."
I feel like whatever I need right now just comes to me.
Wow.
At this point in
You're
time.
lucky.
Actually, you have girlfriends?
No. I don't have a girlfriend. No.
You're such a huge star, man. What are you doing? You're wasting your time.
I'm not wasting my time. I feel like in this point in my life, it's quite confusing because there's so many girls.
But no, this is the right time to make girlfriends. After 40, cells become, I mean... अच्छा, Calm Down जो गाना है, इतना super duper hit है. The whole world is making reels on it. Did you check some Indian fans?
If I
Which
texted
one
them?
you find most funniest reel on your song?
Funniest reel. You know the guy from France that takes people's phones and be like, baby,
Oh.
calm down.
And, yeah.
Yeah, that guy.
Rema, I saw your video. It mostly shot in the house only, you know, on the sofa, on the couch. Was it because of some budget issue, or you are too shy to dance in the public?
It was because that was actually how it happened in real life. So
Wow.
we're just trying to recreate it.
Very
in
nice,
the
actually.
video. Yeah.
So the model who were dancing on the song, you hired professional models, or all they were your neighbors?
Some people were models, some people were just my friends in the video.
Just friends,
Yeah.
not more than friends?
Models and friends. Yeah.
Okay. अभी हाल ही में ना रेमा ने मुंबई, दिल्ली और हैदराबाद में अपना इंडिया टूर कंप्लीट किया है. रेमा, I saw the clips on Instagram. You danced with Nora Fateh, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whenever I get a chance to dance with Nora, you know, I got threatening calls from my wife.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So when you were dancing with Nora, did you get any threatening call from your girlfriend or whatever?
No, because I don't have a girlfriend, so there were no threats. But it was really amazing seeing her on stage and, you know, putting me on Afrobeats made by Guru. So it was really amazing, teaching me the dance and everything. It was beautiful, and I appreciate that. You know, I'm very grateful. I love you guys so much.
Thank you.
Rema, have you tried any Indian dish, any Indian food?
Yeah, I think so far my favorite is tikka masala.
Oh,
Tikka masala.
wow.
You know, in tikka masala, we put so much spices.
Chilies.
Yeah,
You
so
know-
next day if we use tissue paper, it catches fire. No, I mean, it's true. Rema, I heard you were wearing Manish Malhotra's outfit on your show.
Yeah, and this is made by my.
This is also Manish Malhotra?
Yes.
So what is Manish Malhotra wearing right now? If you are wearing... Sorry for my silly jokes.
Kapil, I wanted to ask a question, Rema. What do you like most about India?
I would say the people. The people are loving. The people are welcoming. That kind. Yeah. There's so much love in the air. They're very nice, very helpful, very welcoming. Everywhere I went, so they embraced me like their own. So I feel so much at home. And yeah, that's it for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Rema, in Nigeria, you know, when wedding happens, your jija, apupas, I mean, your uncles, do they dance like snake, you know? In India, you know, the snake dance is
Very famous.
very famous.
Oh, yeah?
Very famous.
Compulsory.
Compulsory.
You know, without this dance, one can't become groom. I will call somebody.
Okay.
Sapna, Vakil Saab, they will teach you Nagin dance. So, bro, don't feel shy.
Okay.
She's an assembled lady. Not natural.
Yeah, yeah. From inside, I am boy. So don't get excited.
Rema, you know, you are so famous in India. In future, you can also act in Bollywood movies.
I hope
Yes.
so. I hope so.
So I can teach you some Hindi dialogues as well. You want to learn?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Pushpa, झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Pushpa.
Okay.
Pushpa, for this dialogue, you need to grow your beard actually, but it's okay. Pushpa,
Pushpa.
झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Juke.
Ga.
Ga.
झुकेगा
Nahi.
Jukega.
नहीं
Nahi.
साला.
Sala.
Okay, there's one more famous dialogue, you know,
झुकेगा
the
नहीं
global superstar, whose name is Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
His dialogues are quite popular. So the dialogue is, do like this. बड़े बड़े शहरों में.
Huh?
Okay. बड़े बड़े शहरों में.
Bare bare sharu mein.
छोटी छोटी बातें
Choti choti bateं
होती रहती हैं.
होती रहती हैं.
Very nice.
I did well.
Yeah, yeah. Big city, small talk keep happening. That's what it is.
That was quite easy. I feel like if I stay in India for like a year,
You'll know the language and then you can really work in Bollywood. Yes.
Bollywood, watch out. I'm coming soon. Watch out, watch out.
Okay, you know, we love you so much. So we are actually eagerly waiting for your next trip to India.
Okay.
So I will teach you a song. Whenever you finish your show, just sing these two lines. It means, चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना. इसका मतलब क्या है? इंग्लिश में समझाओ.
Walking, remember my song. I say, yeah.
It means actually, always remember me in your dreams, in your prayers.
Always
Like this
remember
kind
my
of.
songs.
ये.
My songs in your dreams, in your memories. May my songs always remain with you in your memories. That's what it means.
इतना टाइम लगा आपको समझाने में. मुझे लगा था आपकी इंग्लिश बड़ी अच्छी
मैं
है.
ऑफिशियल ट्रांसलेटर नहीं हूँ.
आपसे अच्छी तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Allah, come on. Okay, the song is. चलते चलते. Sing. चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना. Very nice. कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
Wow.
Right. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. अलविदा. अलविदा means bye bye.
Okay.
अलविदा ना कहना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. जोरदार तालियां रेमा के लिए. रेमा my bro. Thank you so much, my brother, and all the best for all your future projects.
Thank you.
And we are eagerly waiting for your next trip to India.
I can't
Lots
wait.
of love, bro.
I can't wait to be back.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए रेमा के लिए.
Thank you.
शुक्रिया.